If ever I had a video, would you dance?
Four. Vô đứng đây nè, chỗ đó xe bến ta chạy tới chạy lui.
Mình lại mình đối thường ta không mà mọt cơ.
Half an hour to go, you can imagine. Now what do you do with all the waste rock? Further and further down. You want to be closer up closer, you'll see it belongs to none other than Wyatt Earp. Yep, on the Register of National Historic Places Street. And with that, we're going to head off the beach and head right up the hill. Cannot see Russia from here. Okay, now I joke about that. Flounder, so it's Little Flounder Creek. And down at the bottom of the hill, but they didn't find that there was what they would have said was color. So they knew if there was citrus fruit of red cedar and western hemlock.
I need a light to see home, and I want you to know, sunshine, you are my sunshine. It's another morning. I wanna wake up as more than just friends. Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Fortunately, I had a boat down there for a while. 1920s wood cruiser. Lovely.
I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around so we can begin again.
Transportation. So I'm telling you this, another view of the state office building from this side. It's gotta be the Echoes building. So as you on the shipping town after all, are you? Good. You'll see the name there on the left-hand side. And that is their headquarters.
Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Sunshine, it's another morning. I wanna wake up as more than just friends. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine.